What's going on, y'all? Let's make a kicked up omelet with 3 eggs, goat cheese, tomato, and onion. And of course, a little bit of imitation crab, but use some good crab. But anyway, let's get it. And oh yeah, don't forget to give me that LSS. That's that like, share, and subscribe. That like, share, and subscribe. And hey, hit that notification bell and become part of the LSS family, y'all. Because every time you come on this channel right here, we always gonna have something tasty on tap for you. So we're gonna start off in a nice medium pan with a pad of butter, and we're gonna melt that down. Once we get that butter melted, we're gonna go ahead and add our onion. And we're just sauteing this onion out. Just get it to the texture that you want your onions to be. Now once we get them onions in, we're gonna go ahead and get a quick mix and rain on it with a little salt and a little bit of black pepper, y'all. That fresh pepper. Get that a mix just to incorporate that salt to saute it down real good. Then we just gonna get that into a bowl and set it to the side until we get our egg ready. Now with our egg, we gonna crack 3 eggs into a measuring cup. Or you can use a bowl or whatever you got handy. I just like the measuring cup because it makes everything a little bit easier. Then of course we gonna give that a quick mix. Making sure we whip them eggs up thoroughly, y'all. You wanna get as much air whipped into them eggs as you possibly can. Once them eggs are whipped good, we gonna get a pat of butter into our pan, melt it down, and get them eggs in. Add our crab. Now we're using imitation crab, and like I say, use good imitation crab, y'all. Get our tomatoes in, our onion, and of course that great goat cheese, y'all. That great goat cheese. Now once we get our goat cheese in, we gonna go ahead and spread that around so it's all over that egg. That's how you get it tasty. And then as soon as those eggs come together, we gonna rake that side, making sure that it ain't let itself free from that pan. Then we're simply gonna turn it over on itself. And that's our omelet, y'all. We just gonna let this finish cooking. And as soon as it finishes cooking, we gonna get it out that pan and straight onto our plate, y'all. And oh my goodness, don't miss out on any of that goodness. And I had me a couple of croissants on the side, small one with a little bit of jelly. And let me give me a quick bite. And oh yeah, y'all, you already know. This was so tasty. But don't skimp on that imitation crab, y'all. Get you some good imitation crab. But anyway, this is so tasty, y'all. I hope you give it a try. But as always, love, peace, and keep it grilling, y'all. See you.